So, you are well versed with the question posed by the interviewer about yourself. So let us will keep a 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, you have to finish your about yourself. So let us first we have that one by one.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Yes, please proceed, please, one by one.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Good afternoon. Thank you for giving me opportunity. My name is Riaz Ahmad. I belong to Hyderabad. I have 5 years of experience in digital process and computer operation. My role is planning, coordinating day-to-day activities. I have done before that. I have experience in sales coordinator in Gulf.
Good
I
to
have
know.
done my academic project from Orbit Institute. The project I have done on employment separate system. I have worked on special projects and I was complimented by my co-workers and management. My
Okay.
short-term goal is to get a good job in IT sector, whereas my long-term goal is to get to recognize about my work. My strength is I will be focused creativity, and my weakness is I cannot say no to anyone, and I will take decisions very quickly. And last but not the least, conclusion, I have ability to develop and maintain close relationship with the other team and development team. Thank you.
Okay, good. Next, please. Great. Yes, Muhammad Amjad.
Yes, ma'am. Can I start, ma'am?
Yes, yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, all. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. I am Usman Ali. I have done my master's in communication system in 2013. I have 9 years of academic experience, 9 years of experience, of which I have done 7 years in academics. And during that tenure, I got an opportunity to interact with a lot of students in guiding and mentoring to for their academic prospectus. And my technical skills are I have been working on various information security tools, wherein we can what are all the open source tools that are available, and I have set up a virtual lab wherein I am practicing uh, uh, day-to-day job roles and responsibilities of a security professional. And my short-term goal is to get into information security industry, and my long-term goal is to have a stable career wherein mm, I become uh, an asset to a company. And my strength is my positive attitude towards the happenings of life, and optimistic approach towards the things. And my weakness is I like I am I cannot say no to the people, and whenever anybody asks me help, I'll go ahead with the helping them. And like my hobbies are reading technology related articles on web, and surfing what are the new technological trends going on, and maintaining the perfect physical and mental health. And I'm looking forward to interact with you and have an opportunity to work with you. Thank you very much.
Okay, great. Mashallah. Good. Next, Mr. Amjad.
Yes, ma'am. I'm good afternoon. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. I'm Mohammad Amjad. Basically, I belong to Ballari, Karnataka, but I stay in Hyderabad. I completed degree in diploma in D3, that is electrical electronic engineering. I speak about my experience. I have experience for 6 months at CTDA located at Bangalore. uh, Talk about my skills. I'm quite good in basic computer skills and softwares, and quite good in MS Office, Word, PPT, and I have skill of Microsoft Server Administration and CCL. My short-term desire is I always wanted to work in a reputed company where I can find my second short-term goal. Strength. I speak about strength. I have ability of adaptability, so I can adapt easily and fast where I in a in organization wherever. And reciprocative, positive attitude, confidence, and self motivated, and teamwork.
Okay,
Speak
good.
about speak about my family. Coming to my family, including me. In my family, there are four members: father, mother, elder brother, and me. I talk about my hobbies. I like writing and learning languages and volunteering, reading, and playing football, cricket, learning new skills. To conclude, I am very thankful for hearing. Thank you. I am looking forward for a good opportunity. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
good. Nice, mashallah. Good. Next,
Yes.
Sayed Muzammil.
What, madam? I just joined.
Yes, yes. Assalamu alaikum. Today you have to give your
Well,
introduction about yourself.
okay, madam. 1 minute.
So take your time. End of the session, we'll have an introduction from your side. Okay. Then let us we start with the presentation.
Can I,
So
madam?
Yes.
okay, you are ready?
Hel- Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sayed Muzammil. I am from Latur, Maharashtra. About my education, I completed BE Mechanical in 2018. I have 6 months of experience in research analysis in the process of contact discovery. Uh, my skill set are I now the I have knowledge of Microsoft Server administration and some basic hardware and networking. My short-term goal is to get a job in reputed company where can I utilize my skill, utilize my skill. My long-term goal is to develop my skill and become a responsible and knowledgeable personality and on respected position on my company.
Mhm.
My strengths are hardworking, self-motivated, team worker. My weakness is fast decision making. I can't say no to anyone when they ask me any help and can easily trust people. That's all about me. Thank you once more
Good.
for giving me this opportunity.
Mashallah, great. So we have a here presentation on common job interview questions. Okay,
Ma'am,
will
before we start, I have one question, ma'am, here.
okay.
Yeah, yesterday's lecture,
Mhm.
regarding regarding HR interview, the
Mhm.
person said that we should not include our family details. Like just now, brother Amjad has included. No, whether to include that one or we should not include.
We have already I have said that before in previous classes also we should not include okay personality your personality that interviewer bother about your how the person you are, okay, your personality skills, how you are going to manage the situation, and about your skill set. Okay, about yourself means you have to focus on two things: your your personality and your skill set. Okay, so, what is your how you will handle the things. So by saying you have to convey the thing, elaborate your achievements, that is why I said no, don't concentrate
Yes,
on
ma'am. Huh.
your personal life story. We have in different presentations we have come across that don't say about your personal life. Okay, it doesn't matter, it matters for any organization about you, how the person they are going to recruit you. Okay, so just say your family means you are from that place, and or from which university you have done, that's all. If they ask about the family, then that time in our resume also you are keeping that personal information only. only your status and that thing only. Okay, not the family constituent of how many members, like that. So
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
say that. So how you are the person, you have to convey the personality and your skill set. Concentrate and elaborate the things, okay, in 2 minutes. Your achievement, your projects and skills. What are you have skills, how you have implemented those skills, you have to present that in 2 minutes, within 2 minutes. That is most important thing. Don't be personal, okay? In career, in profession, be professional, okay? So keep aside your personal life and don't involve the things, okay? Profession and your personal things are different parallel things. Here about yourself, okay? You have raised a question about what to say. So here about your school work, don't talk about your personal life, okay? Make a point of this. Rough notes you just prepare during presentation, keep with your diary and keep the points. Don't include. You can tick mark or wrong personal life, no. Then your skill set and your personality, your in person how you are, and give a brief, okay? Be brief, try to speak for no more than 2 minutes. Use this as an opportunity to demonstrate your communication skills. That is why I said what you are saying, give a very good impression. So body language and your modulation in your speaking, okay, where you have to put pause, where you have to go up and down, okay? We have seen a graph, your body language and modulation of your voice also. And 7% is your communication, words. What are the vocabulary words you are using, okay? So try to give a modulation in your speaking, where you have to pause it, what are the how you have to present it. So try to be a good articulator or a effective, your whatever you are saying, that it should be effective and you should be confident. Two things, if you are saying about yourself, concentrate on effectiveness and confidence. When you will get confidence? when
When we practice, ma'am, when we practice.
when we practice and when we know about
Yes,
yourself,
ma'am.
we know that
Yes, ma'am.
we
We
have
know
this
ours.
knowledge,
Yes, ma'am.
okay? We have this knowledge. So if you have this knowledge, you are presenting, just you have to give a presentation and use some effective words, okay? So practice this, use this as an opportunity to demonstrate your communication skills. So we have taken so many sessions, but you have not, whatever we have gone through, you have not implemented in your about yourself. I won't find any difference. We have not given a change to your about yourself. Means you have not worked on about yourself, isn't it? Have you worked really? Yes, really, have you worked on this about yourself?
Yes,
So
ma'am. With the initial template, we work well, and then we were focusing on something, the related things, but the initial template that we have started with,
mhm.
to speak about yourself, we actually modified, to be specific with the job role and responsibility. Likewise, we have optimized web,
Okay, little bit
yes,
I found
little,
a difference, but
yes, ma'am. And yeah, yes, ma'am, but lot more points that we are actually covering in each session that we have to still optimize, ma'am. Inshallah, we'll do, ma'am.
so see here, you have not included. I said you a project achievement, your school. Mean you are saying that you are a team worker, team player. Okay, so how you will justify the things by giving an example that in a school, at school level you have done this, you have played a major role, you are a group leader, you used to take care of the things in the group, managing the completion of the books, Okay, and so means you are assisting a teacher, you are taking care of the in a teamwork. If you are teamwork, if you are doing okay, teamwork means helping hand, means making a lots of hands making a brain. That is a one view, multiple hands and one view, you'll get a result then, isn't it? Multiple hands and one view, it's a teamwork, isn't it? It is true, it is true.
Yes, ma'am. It's true, ma'am.
Yes. So, and be brief. Try to speak not more than 2 minutes, and you got the opportunity to demonstrate your communication skills. So, try to change yourself while speaking. Okay, impressive words. Concentrate. Okay, and how they are in the news. They are also seeing. Suppose you are giving a program of yourself, it's a program to you have to tell about yourself. Okay, so how you are going to respond to that question? Then what do you think this position involves? How you have to answer to this question? You can only properly answer this if you have researched the company and the job. Already we have discussed that you have to, before going for an interview, you have to research on the company and the JD, job description. Okay, if you get this question, what do you think this position involves? So before this, you are able to answer this if you have research on the company and the JD, and the pay attention to what they say about the job and the company. Then try putting it into your own words. Okay, if you have understood, you can put it in your own words. So pay attention to what they say about the job and the company, then try putting it into your own words. Then what do you want this job? Why do you want this job? Why you want this job? So you have to show the interest also. Show that you know about the company and prove you have done your homework. Tell them why you are the right person for the job. Don't sound like you are desperate. Prove yourself that you are the right person for that particular job description, for that job. So prove yourself, because you got the opportunity to say about yourself. Okay, so and don't show that you are very desperate to get that job, and try to show interest towards the company and prove that you have done your homework, means you have practiced a lot. Practice means you have to know more about that. If you are reading one time, you won't get. Try to go through the company and the job profile 2 to 3 times. That's why I am saying you to read it here. You won't get time, I know that you won't get time to give your extra hour to this whatever we have done. I know you have not given any time to these sessions. So that is why in 1 hour, try to gain each and everything. Be a good listener and concentrate here. Then what are your strengths? Know at least 5 things you are good at. Make your strengths relevant to the job. Keep your answer short. What do you have to say? 5 strengths you have to say, but really you should be good in that. And whatever the strengths you are selecting, that should be relevant to the job. That you are saying that I am a very good team player. Okay, volunteering also, it's a good strength. Keep your answers short. Means elaborate in 1 or 2 sentences. If you have 5 strengths or 3 strengths, elaborate it in 2 sentences. Then what are your weaknesses? So what are the points we have discussed on this weaknesses? Let me hear from your side.
Like we have to present our weakness in a positive manner, that we have actually like with a solution, ma'am. We have to say, like I am like we have seen in our sessions, like I'm actually not interested in the things. I'm actually less concerned with the things that are of no interest to my work. That sort of thing, ma'am. Something like that. I'm not getting the exact word.
You have a negative at means you are like you have a negative, but make it into a positive way. Like I'm trying
Yes,
my
ma'am.
level best, and how you have taken a measure, steps of measures to overcome that weakness. You have to elaborate
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
We have seen one example also, isn't it? And talk about what you are doing to overcome your weaknesses, make it relevant to the job. Suppose you are not a talkative person, okay? Weakness is I am not a talkative person, but you have come across with a you got a one error, okay? You got come across, you got a assignment task. In that you have come across some point, you know about, you don't know about that. You have to clarify with your team members. So yeah, what you have to approach them. So how you are overcoming that? You are approaching and in a very good manner and with etiquettes. You are resolving, you are going towards to resolve that problem. So you have to talk, you have to take a concern from them. So like this you are overcoming your weakness. Okay, and means if you are not talkative, if you are not talkative, but whenever you are getting time, whenever you want to resolve your problem, you are approaching your team members and resolving the things. It is relevant to the job, isn't it? Then tell us about a time when things went wrong and what you did to fix it. Okay, your in your work, okay, in your work, if you get some problem, how you will handle it. Prepare 2 or 3 examples in advance. Just now I said one example, and make your example relevant to the job. Show that you have initiative. Suppose in your team one member got some problem, okay, so you have taken an initiative. He has not asked you, you have taken an initiative to help him. So like you have the values of volunteering, isn't it? Strength, one of the strength. So strength and weakness both are required in a teamwork. If you have this sort of strengths, you can work in a team. Okay, and how you are going to avoid the weaknesses, you have to overcome that. These are the steps I am taking to overcome that weaknesses. And how do you deal with conflict in the workplace? This is most important question. How you are going to deal the conflicts in the workplace? This question tests your people skills. Okay, it is a interpersonal skill. Conflict could be a conflict of opinion or ideas. Suppose I am saying one idea and other person is saying, suppose I am saying mango and that one is saying apple. So conflict will come. So how you will go upon the opinion and ideas? How you will handle these conflicts? You say mango and other one say apple. How you will manage the things? Conflict would also be a personality clash also. Not all conflict is negative. It can inspire creative solutions to the problems, demonstrate your ability to resolve issues. So to overcome the conflicts, you have to don't speak on problems, speak on solutions. Come up with the solutions, not with the problem. So to overcome this conflicts at the workplace, you have to come up with the solution, not with the problem. Isn't it? Anyone want to share your views on this question? Anyone, please? We have this 4 to 5 points. Based on this, you have to say.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Like basically, ma'am, first of all, we have to do the important things first, ma'am. Like in order to deal with the conflicts in the workplace, first of all, we have to make sure that, ma'am, with our roles and responsibilities, and with the kind of target assigned to us, are we meeting it or not? Like it is one of the most effective way to keep ourselves in a safer zone. The first and the foremost thing, like ma'am. But this conflicts do usually happen, ma'am. Like in order to protect us, we have to we have to have a small level of wisdom and diplomacy.
Yes, yes, yes.
Small level of wisdom, we are we have to be always on a safer side, as we have been discussing. If we are criticizing, or if we have a
Hmm.
specific opinion, we should not go personal,
Yes,
and
yes. Personal.
we should
Don't
be,
go
yeah,
personal.
we should be diplomatic. We should be
Yes.
diplomatic, and we should carry a wisdom, like ma'am. Usually these talks, they at the end result is just to test our it says our skills. It is not like we are coming into action and we are going to implement anything. It's just the exchange of views
Yes,
that's
yes.
happening. So
Yes.
in that, we should not go so very personal that we are getting
If you are
like we are getting,
involving in the conflict also, you just
yeah,
resolve
we have
that
to
time only and
hold our nerves, and we
go
have
back.
to behave professionally, ma'am, in that.
Yes, yes.
Even if we are getting to listen something, or if we have to speak in the favor of something, but we have to present ourselves in a positive manner that shows our professionalism, and then we are
Mhm.
able to control ourselves even in the pressure and wanting situations. That is very important, ma'am.
Yes,
That
yes.
is what is ability to resolve the things, and ability to control ourselves, control our anger and stress, and keep ourselves positive, and not to misbehave or overreact in the situations. That is very important.
So we have to inculcate those traits, human traits. So like in Islam also, we should have these traits as a human. So then
Yes,
only
ma'am.
you
Yes, ma'am.
can
Yes, ma'am.
proceed for the
Yes, ma'am.
any.
Even in our personal life, even in our day-to-day
Yes.
lives, we come across a lot of situations wherein, we think that we should get angry, or we should scold, or we should do like this. But it's
For
always
handling
important that,
small school children also, you should have this type of skills for handling even students, schools, in colleges
yes, ma'am.
also. So you
Yes,
should
ma'am.
have these things, demonstrate your ability to resolve issues.
Yes, ma'am. That is really important, ma'am.
Important. So don't
Core skill.
make it issue. So there only then and there you have to cut short there only, get, and don't take it as a conflict, prolonged conflict. Try to resolve there itself, don't make it a issue. They will take care of these things, any organization. Okay, because in peaceful, okay, in peaceful environment anyone can work. No, if you don't have a peaceful environment, how can you work peacefully?
Yes, ma'am. That's very important. Even
Yes.
in the workplace, to keep ourselves focused, we need to have a healthy and
Mm. Mm.
peaceful environment, ma'am. Supportive environment.
Yes, yes, yes. Give us an example of how you have worked as part of a team. You have to, about yourself, you have to say that how you have worked as a part of a team. Prepare an example and demonstrates how you fit into a team. You could either be the leader or the one who's good at following orders. Means leader is ordering you and you are not following. Is it is a good quality? No.
No.
So yes, try to become a good at that following orders. And if you don't have paid work experience, talk about work experience you have done for school, volunteering, school projects, sport or a hobby group you belong to. So as a team, how you have worked, you have to discuss. This matters a lot. Okay, a teamwork, that is why a designation position is there in IT sector, team leader. Okay, team leader, team member, each for each module they have a team, isn't it? You, anyone you want to share your views on this?
Yes, ma'am. Like in yesterday's lecture,
Mhm.
that a presenter was emphasizing on that, ma'am. Like you usually these days, like people are uh, they are stressing a lot on their technical skills and the soft skills. But usually these days the resume, he was saying that I've also gone through a lot of resumes wherein people are lagging in this volunteering skills and their hobbies and sports. They are not actually looking into that. But he was saying that you
Actually,
have.
they are included.
Yes, ma'am. So he was saying that that is the only thing that keeps yourself make you unique from the other candidates. So like he was saying that if I get two CVs of the same profile, but in one of the profile I found that that the candidate is actually doing some volunteering work, some social work, or he's engaged in the hobby or sports.
Mhm.
So I'll actually shortlist and I'll try to interact more. Like that person is sporty and that person is usually doing some social responsibility. So like you have to these are also some of the corporate traits that you have to implement. Like,
Okay, yes, good points. And hobby, in hobby, traveling and mountaineering or trekking. Why this is they will take care of like these two hobbies, okay, mountaineering, traveling, or trekking.
yes, ma'am.
Why this is
Yes, ma'am.
important? By doing this, what you will learn?
Like ma'am, managing skill, how monitoring or trekking. So
Hmm.
the first we will plan and we will move accordingly according to the plan. Then there'll be some specific set of uh, height or altitude wherein we have to reach in a specified amount of time. So that also test our that's also one of the life skill that actually
And it's
depicts from that.
basically it's a teamwork, okay? In a team will
Yes,
go.
ma'am.
We
Team
have
will
to,
go. Yes, ma'am.
yeah,
Group of people.
we have to achieve that top point. So a group
Yes,
of
ma'am. Top
suppose
point.
10, 15 people. So how you the these 15 people will move to achieve that hill, okay, top. So that
Top altitude.
you
Yes, ma'am.
should have interpersonal skills, you should have. Accordingly, you are moving towards there and reaching. And you have to come down also. How you will help each other? These are the different tasks, okay, isn't it? Have you done trekking or mountaineering? Anybody?
No, ma'am. No.
Right, so do it, okay, plan it. For already I have said, okay, it's a very good nowadays, it's very important for these activities physical, because most of the time, because of smartphones, we are focusing, we are every time we are with the device only. So it will reflect in our mind. So if you are going, if you are seeing nature, gives a good impact on your brain. Seeing, okay, by seeing the nature and taking fresh air, and how you are dealing with a group of people. Traveling also same thing. For traveling you need preparation for going outside. You are leaving your home and everything. What are the things you need to carry for going for traveling? You have to carry the things, you should understand. Checklist, you have to prepare a checklist. Okay, I have to carry these things. I am moving from my place to other place for some work. So how you will manage the things, everything, managing the things. Okay, for sport also, for organizing, you have to organize that game. From organizing, managing, handling in person, each and everyone in the team. Sport also, it's a teamwork, isn't it? And why this sport people, they will not involve in conflicts? Have you seen a team, it's going in conflicts, they are doing in a team?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Like usually in the sports we come across that they fight around in the field and they exchange some sort of words and then they go on with the conflict.
Most of the time they won't go in conflicts,
Yes.
but these
Yes, ma'am.
they concentrate on the game only. They
Yes,
have their
ma'am. Yes.
roles, okay,
Yes,
based
ma'am.
on their roles.
Basically it is to divert their attention like the opponent or the competitor will try to distract him from that. If he's actually doing very well, he'll try to distract him by saying something that is actually hit his like conscience or something like that. So in
While
that way
playing
he'll
any
try to
game, they
respond.
won't involve in conflict. Okay, because they have the target that they have to do
Yes,
this
yes, ma'am.
with team.
Yes.
Yes. So they take care of this thing. That is why organization, how you are good at sport, because you have experienced these things. So you have those qualities. If you have those qualities, you are capable enough to recruit you. Okay, isn't it? Discuss a very good point about
Exactly.
how it's based on the hobbies. You said no. It's a good point.
And ma'am, I want to add one more point here. Like whenever the matches they will be playing, no ma'am, when they won, no, no one will say that I played well, I have won. They will say as a team we have won. We they will
Yeah,
use
yeah,
ma'am.
good point.
Yes,
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 yes. But
Yes,
as a
ma'am.
as
person,
a
you
team.
won't
Yes,
say no at home also.
Yeah.
Like
yes,
why you want to give a credit? Okay, it's a teamwork. You can say it's a teamwork. Even for
yes,
small
ma'am.
kids also handling, we have to say same thing like this
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
nowadays. So that is why you should have this attitude of appreciating each other. It's a professional attitude. Okay, it's a professional way for appreciating each and everyone. Okay, okay, this is our this is your five fingers. Without one finger we cannot make a punch. Okay, it's a team. Each and every finger required, they have their own role. Without that we cannot do anything, isn't it? It's a real time example.
Yes, ma'am. Exactly.
So every time I used to say, like single finger cannot do, a punch can do it. So like this one example of a teamwork. And what has been your biggest accomplishment so far? This is a very good question. Like you don't have to done something earth shattering. Small things done well can be just as impressive. Don't say that a big thing you have done, you have, so even a small thing also give a very good impression. Think of something you have done at school or work that you have proud of or happy with that. If you are just stating out in work, you could talk about what you hope to accomplish. Be honest, don't make anything up. Means if you don't know but taking up and you want to proceed, don't do that. If you can do it, if you have that knowledge, take it up and go on. Simply saying in front of them that I have accomplished this thing, and if you get if they will assign you that type work only, then what you will do if you don't have such abilities? So be honest while saying your accomplishments. Whatever you have abilities, say that only. Your views on this question? Anybody?
Like even ma'am, the teaching learning methodology that has been changed, the kind of approach, the actual purpose of education and skill development, and the way to learn the things, that can also be said as an accomplishment, ma'am. Like now in the life, I am aware of how to learn the things, how to get adapt to the things, and how to change the things, like how to get optimized and adapted. And I have learned to be adaptive, I have learned to be optimistic, and I have learned to keep myself upgraded with the things. That is what is all can also be my
Looks like madam like has been disconnected. Maybe some internet issues.
Yeah.
This might be come back, but let us see. Let us see for 5 minutes, 5 or 10 minutes.
Yes.
I think power cut off. Maybe.
Yes, that is a common issue here in Hyderabad, in
Yeah.
India.
Brother Riaz, what kind of opportunity you are hitting? Like you have made the mind like among the various things that
Like
we are looking at.
my yes, my plan is after this course will be completed, no CCNA. I want to
Yes.
hit on IT engineer. Like IT engineer means it will come both system and network, where we have done MCSE and we are doing CCNA. No, both will cover in that.
Acha, acha. IT,
Inshallah.
it is system engineer only. I guess it is system engineer.
Yes, system engineer. But on
Yes.
both one, whereas on MCSE and CCNA, network and system admin.
Okay. Brother Riaz, have you got an opportunity to practice all that server labs that we have seen?
No, I
Have you
haven't.
practiced?
No,
Yes.
I haven't practiced.
Okay.
Because we can practice here at home, but I need to bring two CPUs and monitors. Then we can practice here.
We have to bring two CPUs, right?
Yes,
Hello.
because one to make one server and other one client.
Yes, Mr. Muzammil. Mr. Muzammil, go
Yes.
ahead. You
Yes.
want to say something?
Yesterday class I missed some part. They recorded a video or not? Hello.
Yesterday class? Yes. Yesterday, which class you are saying about Sunday's class or about Saturday's class? Which class
Sundays
is?
guest lecture. Sundays guest lecture.
Yeah,
Yeah, bro. It
Sunday's
was
guest
live.
lecture. There is actually a YouTube channel of PSF, na?
Yeah,
You
professionals.
can go. Yeah,
Yes.
you can.
Solidarity
Assalamu alaikum.
education.
I'm back. Sorry for the interruption.
Walaikum salam. No issues.
Network problem. Okay. Just share your views on that.
Yes, ma'am. What are your biggest achievements that I think we were discussing on that? Biggest accomplishments?
Yes. So far.
Yes, ma'am. So far.
So you don't have to say a big accomplishment, just a simple, also small, also you have to say to give a impression
Yes, ma'am.
at workplace or school level.
Like we can say,
You want
we got deadline to complete the project, but we feared whether it will. When yes, ma'am.
yes, save. Yes. Project you are
Okay.
saying about
Yes, we have got one project. The deadline was 30 days. We were yes, yes, ma'am. This is an example. So we
Yeah.
like we need to complete in 30 days, but we were feared that it will complete or not, it will be accomplished or not. But it has been done. We can say like this type of example also.
Yes. Yeah. Yes, you can say.
Okay.
And anything else, biggest accomplishments? Like within an hour, suppose tomorrow you have an inspection or you have to some task will be there, how you have accomplished that in as a team within 2 days, that also you can say it as a team. You just as a professional talk about in team. Okay, we don't talk about as I. We have you have to you talk on we only, as a team,
Yes, ma'am.
not as an individual. So it's a give a good impression. Yes. Next is, what are your goals? So talk about your work or study goals, and try to connect your goal to the company and the job. You are saying for long time you want to be placed after 5 years in that company like that. So you should not say in this way, okay? Isn't it? You don't want to go for a long time in a current job or where you are applying. So 5 years where you want to be in that company, just or you want to move. That shows that long term and short term. Short term, long term, you want to discuss? Anybody share your view? Yes, anybody share your views? Or when can you start and what's your availability? Okay, means availability, like it's important to know the answer to this one before you come to the interview. Do you have to give notice to your current employer? Check your contract or agreement. Do you want to take a break between jobs for some rest and recreation? Are there any days or times you are not available? Try to be flexible. And what are your salary expectations? Don't negotiate a final figure for your salary or wages in a job interview. Wait until they offer you the job. Use this question as an opportunity to sell yourself. Any uh any question for us? Try to ask a specific questions about the company and the role. If you are stuck, ask, how would you describe the culture here? What would I be expected to do in this role? What are the expectations from the company? What are the expectations from the role? What would I be expected to do in this role?
Excuse me, brothers.
Yes, sir.
Class will continue or no? Or not?
Amjad bhai, this is Riaz.
Yeah, I can understand
Okay,
you.
okay. Yes, maybe some problem with the connectivity. Again, we have to wait for 2-3 minutes. Madam will come, I guess.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, anyway, our time is coming to an end. So maximum in 5-10 minutes, our class will end. Not more than that.
Yes, brother Usman. Yes.
So just be patient. Okay.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Walaikum salam. Eh,
वालेकुम
Yes.
सलाम शाद भाई. हाँ.
Usman bhai, is there any issues or in this meeting?
No, like our time is up. Like almost we are done with today's class. If like we can end also. Like if
Okay.
you ask ma'am, if she says we can end the class. No problem.
सर हेलो
Yeah, yeah.
कल कल के लेक्चर का